To connect our battery, of course, what we need is battery cable, solder, a lug. Notice there's a slot at the top of the lug here, and a little blowtorch. Okay, so first of all what we do, we measure up the depth of the lug. We then strip the wire. We insert the wire into the lug. By twisting it, you get most of the wires in. If you miss a little bit, it doesn't really matter that much. You can always cut them off after. Okay, and then if you have a vise, put your wire with the lug in the vise, standing upright like this, or if you haven't, use just a pair of vice grips and to hold the wire in place. And now what we do is we heat our lug just around the base of it. You want to get it fairly nice and hot. While we do that, we get our solder ready. Okay, just about hot enough. Now we put our solder in the top of the slot here, and we'll wait till it starts melting, and we just keep adding more and more solder. While we're heating, we want to try and get as much in there as we possibly can, so we get a nice solid connection there. Okay, you can see how the solder just keeps flowing in there. Eventually it'll come down to the bottom, and then we'll have a nice solid little connection, which is very, very important because we don't want it to come apart. Alright, that'll just about do. So we turn off our torch and we let it cool down a bit. And as soon as it's cooled down, we put our shrink wrap on, heat it up, and finish our connection. And here is what the finished product looks like. Shrink wrap on there, nice neat connection. And now we're ready to connect up our battery.